With this huge collection of filaments that we have, today I wanted to tackle this beautiful PLA Pastello filaments. And in today's video, we're going to print this amazing chessboard. Hi, my name is Alessio, and this is Spectrum Filaments. I had these filaments around for a while now, but I haven't had a chance to print something with it. So I thought, wow, they look amazing. I love the matte finish on this, and they look so kind of a chalky look. And I thought we need to print something with this. And what's better than a chessboard? Before I printed the chessboard, of course I did some tests with the classic Banshee, and it turned out amazing. Look at the finish on this. It's beautiful. This is the blue one, and this is the pink one. I think they look great. That's why I decided to go with the chessboard. Before we jump in 3D printing the chessboard, I'm gonna give you some details about the PLA settings, but you can find them right in the screen right here, or just check the link in the box below. But basically runs just like normal PLA. Temperature is a little bit lower though. And of course the link of the filaments are in the description too, as the Maker World link for the model itself. To print all the pieces, it took 17 hours each in 2 different plates. For the chessboard itself, it took 7 hours. And for the box, it took around 6 hours, and it was printed in PETG. The link is in the description down below. As you can see, this chessboard is very special. It's magnetic. All the pieces are magnetically attached to the board, and it looks pretty cool. I don't really play chess myself, and maybe this is a good opportunity for me to learn how to play chess. You may be wondering, how is this magnetic? Well, I'm gonna show you. And here we have our first set, and in the slicer, of course, we have a pause set, so we can apply all the magnets carefully one by one. And of course, here we have our second set, applying the magnets in the same fashion. And last, we have the chessboard, which has the most magnets. You gotta be patient and careful, but it's a fairly simple task. Then, of course, we remove them from the build plate and check for artifacts and see if everything is alright, and remove these little supports right here. If we take a closer look at the pieces, they look stunning. I didn't just use the Pastello PLA for this ones, but I wanted to give them a really cool accent, so I decided to go with our Silk PLA, and it looks great. The chessboard doesn't need any cleanup, so it's fairly easy. Just remove it from the plate and you are done. But here's the part that I didn't really like. The box itself, I love the design, especially this pattern that is due to the infill, which is a really good touch. But I think the design itself is not really clever because it took me a really long time to remove the supports. It was a real struggle, but yeah, it does its job, as you can see. So there you have it, these beautiful pieces, this beautiful chessboard printed with Pastello PLA from Spectrum Filament. I really love the colors, and I think the possibilities are endless depending on your creativity. Like I mentioned, all the links are in the description down below. Please do remember to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And again, my name is Alessio, this is Spectrum Filaments, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.